Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning dua to go into the toilet. So first of all, when you are going to the toilet, you must say Bismillah with the name of Allah. Then you entering the toilet, you have to take your left foot in first. Then you have to read dua. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubusi wal khaba'is. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubusi wal khaba'is. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubusi wal khaba'is. So you have to request Allah with this dua. Allahumma, O Allah, inni, indeed I request you, a'udhu bika, for protection, minal khubuthi, against the bad males, wal khaba'is, and female devils. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubuthi wal khaba'is. O Allah, I request you for protection against the males and females devils. So these type of devils who are jinnat or demons, so they are in the toilet. So they can disturb you and produce illness, produce different type of troubles for you. So you have to request Allah with this dua, then inshallah you will be safe. So the other thing is that you are not allowed to talk in the toilet. And because the angels who write the deeds, they are outside and they feel trouble to come in to see you in that condition. So this way you are not allowed to talk in the toilet, and you don't sit on the toilet facing to Qibla, and don't read or recite the Holy Quran or something from there in the toilet. And don't splash or play with water in the toilet. So you have to look at that there should be no screaming, because some people, they go into toilet, they scream also there. So that is not a good thing. So you have to read dua, then inshallah you will be safe there. And when you are going on the way, for example, you feel that you need to urinate or you need the pee, so that time you have to look at the surface of the land. If that is the path for the people, don't do there. And if there is road or some near to that, not allowed, but you have to be away from that. And the other thing is, when you look at the, if there is the holes or some burrows, so you are not to urinate there, because those may be the houses of some type of small animals, so they can sting you if they come out, so then they are in trouble. So this way you have to look after yourself, and you have to be careful at that time. And the main thing is that, so it is for protection actually, because when you become naked, when you open your clothes, automatically that time is the attack of shaitan. Shaitan may be males or females. So you have to request Allah with this dua, then you will be safe inshallah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubusi wal khaba'ith. And when you leave, then before leaving you have to wash your private parts, so that you must be clean and clear, so that will be good for you. And then you have to make wudu and pray or something, so that is the good thing. So try to be good and pure person, nice person, look after yourself, and look after yourself from shayateen and males or females. So this way, read this dua before going to the toilet. Put your left foot in first and read Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubusi wal khaba'ith. O Allah, I request you for protection against the males and females devils. So Allah will protect you inshallah. Allah give us tawfiq and protect us. Ameen.